Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove a reaction from a message on Gmail on your PC. Easily change or revoke your reactions with these simple steps. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, open gmail.com on your PC to access your Gmail account. Next, locate the message from which you want to remove or change the reaction in your inbox. At the top of the message, you'll find the reaction feature represented by an emoji icon, typically a smiling face. Click on this icon to view the reactions. Choose the reaction you want to replace the current one with, and click on it to send the new reaction. Remember, if you wish to remove a reaction entirely, you only have a short window of time to do so. Keep an eye out for a pop-up notification at the bottom left corner of your screen. In this notification, click on Cancel to swiftly remove the reaction before the opportunity expires. By following these steps, you can easily manage and adjust reactions on messages in Gmail on your PC, ensuring your responses accurately reflect your feelings. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the flexibility of changing or removing reactions on Gmail, allowing you to communicate with precision and clarity.